Yiddish was not mentioned. You think that I think for maybe I'm wrong, but for a certain generation of Israelis older than me, let's say my father's generation, Yiddish was something to be ashamed of, the language of Goles, of diaspora, of Holocaust, of weakness, of bad jokes, of sentimentality. But at least they made fun of it. There's a beautiful scene in a Israeli movie, very famous Israeli movie from the 70s. It's a movie of sketches. It's called Shablul by Uri Zohar and Arik Einstein and so Uri Zohar, who is now Baal Tshuva, is a rabbi, but he was one of these like comedians, actors, very famous in Israel, and made these movies. And there's a sketch where a very fragile sort of guy, he goes to the doctor and says, I feel very, very tired, very weak. What should I do? And he said, what happened to you? The doctor said, at work sometimes they beat me up, and I don't know how to defend myself. So the doctor says, you need to learn how to defend yourself. You need to be strong. You need to be a powerful, strong Jewish male. So he goes to a karate instructor. The karate instructor, played by Uri Zohar, speaks beautiful Polish Yiddish. And he tells them how to, in Yiddish. So Yiddish so it's interesting and then of course at the end, he starts caressing this guy and says, you have a shame teichasel, you have a nice ass, and it became very homoerotic. And he's sexually attacking him. So Yiddish for them was lack of masculinity, the effeminate Jew who is a sexual pervert. So Yiddish was reduced to this horrible, this very homophobic and position. But I think at least that there was some attitude towards Yiddish. I think for my generation, it was already past that.